A little bit of a cold one today. It's frozen solid. There's no movement on boat when you walk about. Oh, left my cup out last week. You can see the writing on the hull plate. Stands out with the frost. It's what you call frozen. Got some wood there. See the witness mark on the hull. Now the tank's empty of water, so when it's refilled, that's where it goes down to. Well, it's cold out there. It's postcard perfect, innit? Winter's scene. So didn't know it was that cold today. Everything's frozen up on this boat. The windows are frozen. Anyway, have to get warm, won't we? Do a bit of work, that'll get us warm. We've got a coffee, so happy as Larry really. So carrying on with this floor now. Got some of these, more of these timbers. We've got to finish battening this floor, these steels, all the way down, all today. We'll only get this area done. So we've got to do a bit of moving about again. Everything wants moving. But what we will do is get all this lot done. So that's what we put down last week. And now, 2 more longitudinal timbers there, and then cross timbers. And then I can start putting the boards down, and we'll eventually work all the way back up the boat. But the idea now is I'll get these down the next row, so it's all completely floored, and then I can get the sides in. That's the plan for the moment, then work back up boat. So we'll get overalls on and we'll get on. Right folks, I'm glad that's over. Oh, a crick neck there. That's back breaking doing that lot. That's about 5 hours work that. It only takes so long on these boats. I think you just do that in 10 minutes, you don't. Anyway, just going to put a bit of slop dosh on them, and then I can lay the boards in. We'll have a look what we like, but they're all well supported now all the way across, so they'll not be bowing. Anyway, we'll have a cuppa. we're all tidied out. I get these boards laid down. Right, so I've got those tacked down now. Let's call it a day. It's getting on and I'm knackered. But I've also got to do some work there so we can get the outlet from the water through. So I can't put another one down there. I'll just tack these down for now. But anyway, I got this front bit done. We're getting there. It's back breaking. So it's hard work on your own. Anyway, I'm happy that's down. That's the main thing. So just rest of it to do. So anyway, that's it for today, folks. I'm going home now. So thanks everybody for your comments and that. The prizes are in the post now for those holsters. So I hope everybody makes use of them. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and help the channel along. So I'll see you all later anyway. Ta-ra!